Is it on? That's it, we're recording. Straight into the video today, no intro, and I'll tell you more about that in a minute. But first, hello viewers of the Renegade YouTube channel. We interrupt this broadcast for a short segment about family time. Normal service will be resumed shortly. Family time, let's go.
I know I've said before about trying to cut down the swearing in the videos, and I'm really trying to cut down the swearing in the videos, but situations like this do not help. Okay, I'm still not gonna I'm not gonna swear, right? But I've just recorded a bunch of stuff on the GoPro on the way here, and when I came to check my battery when I pulled over, it had already ran out. And it had only recorded 40 seconds worth of the stuff that I actually vlogged or moto vlogged. Yeah, which is a pain in the ass. So now I've got to go through it all again. But it'll only be the first time for you, so don't worry. I'll just frustrate myself by saying it again. But for you, you're only listening to it for the first time. Today is one of those days where it's so hot that any sort of physical exertion at all just makes you sweat. And I've only just had a shower this morning, and I'm pretty sure I stink already because it's so hot. Just getting my bike out of the garage, or Roy's bike out of the garage, yeah, it's just boiling. But I don't want to moan about that either, because it's very seldom that we get days like this. I don't know if that's the right context to use that word, but okay, it's not very often that we get days like this. What I was saying before, the reason why I went straight into the video today without any intro is because, well, there's two reasons actually. The first reason is because I'm not riding my bike today. I'm riding the Roy's R1, and I haven't got any intro clips at the minute that include Roy's R1. So I could have just put a KTM one in there, but then it'd be all out of sync and meh. The second reason is that the KTM is probably going to be sold. I say probably going to be sold, more than likely. It's on eBay. I've had a couple of offers already. I just haven't had the time to actually meet anyone to get it gone. But yeah, that's going to be gone. And a funny story about that actually. Some guy rang me up. The KTM's on eBay, right? Some guy rang me up and said, I'm just wanting to come and buy the KTM. I'm going to pay the asking price. And he said what I want to do, if possible, is come to wherever you are and give you the money, and then take the KTM away, if that's all right. And I thought to myself, well, what else? It's for sale. What else would happen? Yes, you can come and give me some money and take the KTM away. That is exactly, when I wanted to sell the bike, that is exactly what I was hoping would happen, is that somebody would give me some money for it and take it away. So yeah, it's a bit weird. It's not a bad bike, it's a pretty awesome bike. It's probably one of the most fun bikes I've ever owned, but it's had its time now. It's time to move on. And I'm thinking about getting either, I want a sort of a super naked bike, so either I want to get an MT10 or a BMW S1000R or a KTM Super Duke. That's what I'm thinking. I'm still undecided, so when the KTM's gone, the only bike I'm going to have access to until I decide what bike to replace it with is Roy's R1. The other reason why I'm riding Roy's bike today is because we're actually on our way to we're actually on our way to YZF Sunday at CMC Motorcycles in Chesterfield, which is basically an event where they're going to have a bunch of bikes on show and they want all the other people with YZFs, R1, R6, R3, you know, whatever the other YZF models are. They want all of those guys to come and show, I think, and like I don't know, there's a bunch of stuff going on. But yeah, we're going down there to Yahama showroom basically to just go to this event and see what's going on. So Roy's on his R1M and I'm on this R1, so it would have been a bit silly to take the KTM anyway. Plus it's all clean, it's looking mint for its new owner. So yeah, should be good. Anyway, I'm gonna get some fuel and then I'm gonna head off. So I'm gonna cut the video off here and you know, I don't really know what to say here. Keep watching if you want to keep watching and don't if you don't. Alright, see you in a bit. Right, first exit. I know. Right, yeah, we need to be in that lane. Straight on. Right, 6 miles to go. National speed limit, that's what we like to see. Only I can't overtake yet. It's 11:11 now. That's the time. So we should be like less than a mile away. There we are. There seem to be a lot of non-YZFs there. Oh look, R1Ms, look, yeah. What's that? Oh fucking hell. Yeah. He never said that. Sure, come on, show me who it was. Where you got to park then? Oh, right at the front there.
Sorry to interrupt, Mark. Is that an intercom?
Yes, it's on my mate up there, yeah.
That's fucking bothered.
It's just that, yeah.
Oh, the stall arrived?
Yeah.
Bang on.
Yeah, they're alright.
Is it camera and all?
No, that's not, no.
Oh, bang on that, isn't it?
Yeah, it's alright. It lasts off one charge, what is it, 8 to 9 hours I think it is.
I've got 1200 bandit live, and it got 600 bandit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm always taking off. And I was like, where the fuck is he? So I have to pull up. Oh, that'd be a rate.
Yeah, they're only 100 quid.
Are they?
Yeah.
I'm going to have a look at that.
Have a look. Scala G9 it is.
Brilliant, that's down there. I noticed you talking, I thought, who's fucking talking?
Yeah, I'm talking to him down there.
Down there.
Oh no. It's a pain in the arse trying to buy a bike in the summer because everyone wants top dollar for them. Thing is with this camera, it zooms really slowly.
Oh, sorry.
Wait for it, wait for it.
Fuck off.